Good day. In this video, we are going to try and do question 1D of the 2024 Maths and Stats paper called Demonstrate Mathematical Reasoning. Paper number is 91947. This is a 5 credit paper. The question 1D is an excellent question and it's going to take some time, so bear with me as we go along the journey of solving this problem. So without further ado, let's try to solve this problem. Okay, the question sounds like this. Let's read. Adjust the paper. Okay, yep. So just because I need to have the space there. Okay. So a sphere is a ball. Okay, is a three-dimensional object shaped like a ball. The diagram shows a rectangular box containing 6 spheres. So the first option is rectangular box. The second option, the diagram shows the same 6 spheres could be packaged into a cylindrical cube. So this is a cylinder, okay, and the ball is one on top of the other. The spheres fit tightly into the box and tube is shown. All spheres in both the box and tube are exactly of the same size. The volume of each of the cylinder is 150 centimeter cube. Show clearly and decide which container, the rectangular or cylindrical, has a greater empty space, or by calculating the percentage of empty space inside each container. So this is quite tricky. So before we can do that, we need to know the radius of one sphere and also the diameter. To do that, we know the volume of one sphere. So volume equals to 4 over 3 pi r cube. This is given in a formula booklet, so have a look at it. So we know that that is equals to 150 centimeter cube, because it's given here 150 centimeter cube. Then we will just cancel this. So to get rid of the 4 times 3, we're going to multiply by 3 over 4 on both sides of the equation. The 4 over 3 will cancel out. So pi r cube equals to 150 times 3/4, and I found out it will be 112.5 centimeter cube. Okay, to get your radius, we just need to r cube. We need to divide by pi on both sides. Okay, when you divide by pi, 112.5, divide by the calculator pi, and the answer is going to be 35.81. And last but not least, you need to cube root. R equal to the cube root of that number there, 35.81. Put in your calculator and the answer is 3.296 centimeter. So the radius of one of the sphere is 3.296. Because we need to calculate some diameter. So to get the diameter of that sphere, we just multiply, because diameter is double of that. So 2 times 3.296, and the answer is going to be 6.592 centimeter. So remember, the radius is 3.296 and the diameter is 6.592, because we need to do that in the calculation later. Okay, so now we got a rectangular box, this box here. Okay, so if you know the width is here. So it's made up of 2 diameters. So the width equal to 2 times the diameter, 6.592, and the answer is going to be 13.184 centimeter. So make sure you check the answers, because I have done the calculation before. I may be wrong. And the length is going to be 3 sphere, 1, 2, 3. So we take 3 times 6.592, the diameter, and I calculated again, is going to be 19.777 cm. And of course, the height is only 1 sphere, so height is going to be the diameter itself, 6.592 cm. Okay, so far so good. So the volume is going to be length times width times height. We're going to take these 3 numbers, you multiply them together, and the answer is going to be, if I'm not wrong, is going to be 1718.87 centimeter cube. Okay, so because we need to calculate the volume of the sphere itself, there are 6 spheres. The volume is 6, and each of them is 150, and it's going to be 900 cm cube. Yep, so I think I'm okay. Okay, so now the next step, we're going to calculate the empty space. Empty space is going to be all this empty space. It's going to be this number minus that number. 1718.87 minus 900, and I got the answer as 818.87. Okay, so check my answers again. And to get the percentage of empty space, you take the empty space itself, which is 818.87 over the total number of space, 1817, divided by 1718, so 1718.87 multiplied by 100. And the empty space is going to be 747.64%. We're going to circle that answer because we're going to compare that with the cylindrical cube. Okay, so now we are going to do the cylindrical cube. Okay, so cylindrical cube, you need to calculate the volume. It's actually pi r square h. That's the formula given in the formula booklet. Okay, so you need to find the radius as well as the height. So the volume of the cylinder is going to be pi. Radius is going to be, we found earlier, 3.296 squared times the height. Okay, the height is actually, the height, there are 6 times the diameter, because each diameter there are 6 of them, so 6 times 6.592, and the answer is going to be, the diameter is going to be, let me see, 19.77. Okay, yeah, no, sorry, it can't be 19.77. It's going to be 39.553. Okay, 39.553. The reason is that each of them is going to be 6.592. There are 6 of them, so 6 times 592 is going to be 39.553. So the volume of the cylindrical sphere is going to be pi times radius squared times the height, which is 39.553. So that's the height, okay? And then we're going to put the calculator, and the answer is going to be 1350 centimeter cube. Okay, so again, the volume of the sphere, 6 spheres, okay, is going to be 6 times 150, and that is going to be 900 cm cube. So the empty space is going to be because I got run out of space, is going to be 1350 minus 900 is going to be 450. So the percentage of empty space is going to be 450, which is this amount, divided by the total 1350 multiplied by 100, and you will get 33.33%. So we're going to compare this against that. So we can conclude that the cylinder, therefore, cylinder has less empty space, which is 33.33% compared to the rectangular box, which had a percentage of 47.64%. So that is the whole working, very long, and that is an excellence in this paper. Cheers everyone, and have a great day.